back for another installation for this 10th gen Honda Civic, and today I'm gonna add this caliper covers. It's an Mgp caliper cover. When I bought this car a while ago, one of the first mods that I did on this car was to paint the calipers red. It's actually one of the well spent $15 for modifications of any car. It looks real nice and fancy for the first week, but with rain, occasionally mud, the caliper gets dirty fast, so it's kind of annoying when you're maintaining the rims clean, but at the same time you have a filthy caliper. So the color is from red to dirty red. Okay, with that being said, I have to buy this caliper covers. It's an Mgp caliper cover. It's customized for Honda Civic. This caliper cover is really light, and about the price, it's not cheap. It's $270 US plus tax. Converted to Canadian, it's gonna be like $416. According to their site, it's made of 6061-T aerospace grade aluminum. So I did my research on what does this 6061-T aerospace grade aluminum is, because honestly I have no clue. I know about aluminums, but aerospace grade, that I don't. According to Google Web, 6061 aluminums are used on building aircraft or parts for aircraft. So basically, these bad boys are not just cheap materials made of recycles. Under regular driving conditions, the brake temperature ranges from 200 degrees Fahrenheit up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But this caliper cover's melting point is 1221 degrees Fahrenheit. So basically, this won't melt at all if it's just attached on the brakes. And that's how strong this thing is. This caliper covers help reduce brake dust, keeping your wheels cleaner longer. And it also comes with a 3-year warranty, and as you can see, the logo and the bolts are engraved, and at the back it says MGP 20218. This one is for the front, and this one is for the back, and it comes with the rear and front clips. Okay, and I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Let's install this one. As you can see on this stock caliper, it typically looks like this. All the road dust and brake dust are accumulated, but I'm gonna wipe it off first before I install the Mgp caliper covers. And now we're going to install the front cover first. Here is the front cover clips. Loosen or just remove the lock nuts. Place the caliper cover on the brake caliper. Cover should be centered across the front. Caliper cover bridges should be positioned against the brake caliper bracket. Slide the stainless steel clips over the bridges and caliper brackets and around the threaded stud to fasten the cover. Fit should be snug and secured. Install the supplied lock nuts onto the threaded studs to secure clip to bridge. Tighten with 3/8-inch socket wrench to 25 foot-pound-feet of torque, and do not over tighten the nuts. Front installation is done. Here is how it looks. And now for the rear installation. As you can see, the caliper is really dirty. As usual, you have to clean it first before we install the caliper brake covers. And also the paint is starting to peel and you can see some paint chips. Install the stainless clips first and remove the lock nuts. Fit should be snug and secure. Place one bridge over the stud and you have to slightly stretch the second bridge over the stud. Install the supplied lock nuts and tighten it with the 3/8" socket wrench with a 25 foot-pound-feet of torque. As you can see, the gap between the clips and the rotor, there's enough room and it won't rub. Rear installation is done. Here it how it looks. My honest opinion about this installation, I couldn't be more satisfied with the result. It turns out to be really good. Aesthetically speaking, it really pops out. Now, the big question is it worth it? These covers are nice and fancy, but with a price tag of $270, I'm a little bit on both sides. I'll say 50-50, yes and a no. If you have some extra cash laying around, why not? And if you don't want to spend a chunk of fortune on Brembo brakes, and no, because you can spend it on other cheaper or other worthy modifications like cold air intake, for example. And besides, caliper paint is just $15 and it will do the job. You just have to deal with it being dirty for most of the time. And on my next video, I'll show you how to make a bumper plugs and how to install a side plate mount. And that is all for the Mgp caliper covers. Hope you like it. And just to let you know that every Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to upload the latest video. And if you think that this video helps, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And I'll see you on our next video.